Hello there, and welcome to the Spring 101 course. I'm Bruce Hilton from the UK, and the founder of the Den of Programming. In this opening tutorial, I'd like to run through the course and how it works, and why you should take the course. The Spring 101 course comes in two parts, and together they act as a primer to the Spring framework. So, what do I mean by primer? Well, the Spring framework is not one large framework. It is by design very modular, so you can pick and choose the parts you wish to use as and when you need them. I often liken the Spring framework to a menu in a restaurant. You can select what parts of the framework you wish to have today, but because you have a part of the framework today, it doesn't stop you from having another part tomorrow. The commonality of all the modules is that Spring has a certain way of doing things. Regardless of the bits of the frameworks you decide to use, certain ideas and concepts are always the same. This course deals with learning the ideas and the concepts and the way Spring does things. The aim being that you can leave the course with a good understanding of how and why Spring does things the way it does, and it's knowledge that you can take and apply over and over again on various Spring projects. You can also take this knowledge and apply it when you're learning the other Spring modules, because they all depend on this knowledge and information you learn here. The first part of the course looks at key concepts behind Spring and why it uses them. It covers things like programming to interfaces and how to loosely couple your application code. What is inversion of control and dependency injection? We then start looking at how to get started with Spring and how to configure Spring within your own application. We then gradually build up into more and more advanced configuration. The second part of the course looks at some new concepts within the Spring configuration, such as annotations. We move on to replacing the XML configuration with the Java configuration. We have a look at event handling within Spring, and then move on to aspect-orientated programming. And then we do a little bit of unit testing with the Spring framework.